Lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to the last day of the year 2024. Yes guys, today is the 31st of December and it's a beach day. So I went to the beach with my family. You know, usual, we spent the entire day at the beach. We had a lot of food, a lot of drinks. It was a whole thing. It was so much fun. Guys, having to hang out with my family like this again gives me so much joy, makes me so happy. I'm so excited, I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful to God. Every single member of my family made it to the end of the year. Guys, I didn't lose anyone, no one was missing, and I give God all the glory. So let me let you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Guys, the view, the sunset. Guys, this is the view. This is the view of the beach. Yeah? There's no end in sight. Say hi. Yes, so. That's it. You missed. Come and say hi. Sweetie, keep it well. Keep it by that side. At Mandy. Come on. Alvina, you guys look this way. Austin. Oh yeah, nah. You don't follow Amy for the clapping hand. You don't follow Amy for the clapping hand. My family, guys. Uncle P.
all.
Let me see my face. Okay,
So you got that group chat? Everybody desperado. I got that. Auntie don't only have it now, so they let us look beside. I think I'm high. If I don't stand up, no, that's what I'm catch the highlights. You never enter. See you.
I'm coming for you, don't worry. Ready.
After eating and drinking, as the sun sets, so beautiful. David. Kids are having fun. Kids are having fun. So much fun.
I'm not tall, I'm too short.
Yeah, but we'll go there.
Let's go now.